is Dr. Lalit Kumar Das? Dr. Das, who has gained a lot of popularity in recent days, has become a hot topic to discuss about in all the leading news portals of Nepal and social medias all across the nation. In this video, we shall be talking about who is Dr. Das and is the vaccine he is claiming for corona is any good or not. And also, is WHO really planning to fund him for his future research? Hey viewers, welcome back to Bird Box. If you are new, please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from us. Let's get started. Dr. Lalit Kumar Das is designated as an associate professor at Tribhuvan University, Institute of Forestry, Hetauda campus. The campus is present at Makwanpur district, Bagmati province of Nepal. Dr. Das has completed his PhD from Banaras Hindu University in the field of phytochemistry. And for the past 22 years, Dr. Das is been teaching and experimenting in this field. Along with this, he also serves as the president of Bagmati Chemical Society. Dr. Das, before claiming the corona's vaccine, has earlier made a sanitizer which was based on Ayurvedic herbs for sanitizing. Dr. Das began his research from March. For his work, Dr. Das said that he used various herbs and other medicinal plants parts like leaves, barks, roots and even fruits. According to him, all these items are rich in antioxidants. He also mentioned that these items shows various antivirus properties and many enzymatic actions. According to Dr. Das, he has successfully developed the vaccine which will help world to cope with the corona's crisis. Altogether, Dr. Das has prepared 9 vaccine samples and he labeled them as S1, S2, S3 similarly up to S9. According to Dr. Das, his vaccines S1, S2 and S3 are made for the patients suffering from the corona and it will cure them, while the remaining vaccines should be used by the public as it will increase their resistance against corona and it will protect them. Dr. Das said that all of the work of the laboratory has been completed and now his research has become the property of the university and the government of Nepal and the further research belongs to the state. He has also urged the government to test his research on coronavirus infection. Dr. Das' research concept paper has already been sent to the authorities of World Health Organization. On June 2nd, he also had a virtual discussion with researchers from 73 different countries of the world, including Nepal and WHO's research officers. Dr. Das explained his vaccine formula to the international experts. His next meeting with the research officers of WHO is scheduled for 20th June. Dr. Das also informed that the research officers of WHO have said that the research should be continued. Also, WHO has expressed desire to fund him if the experts approve his composition. From the above discussion, it is clear that until a proper verification is made, Dr. Das' work cannot be approved as the corona's vaccine. But if his work gets approved, he will be funded from World Health Organization. Also, regarding the investigation of Dr. Das, the Bagmati province government has expressed interest and commitment to assist and facilitate his work. In the current medical emergency, where more than 80 groups of scientists from all over the world which are working at the peak pace for the development of corona's vaccine. News like this coming from a small country Nepal boosts positivity. Whatever be the result of Dr. Das' work, it is a matter of happiness that currently a Nepali doctor is in the spotlight for his research that needs to be medically proved and approved. Thanks for watching our video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And also share this video with your friends and families.